Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Honduras Today. Today's date is September 15th, 2020, with Mr. Guevara. Today, as most of you know, is our Independence Day. We gained our independence from Spain in 1821 on September 15th. And as some of you may know already, we were a part of the Mexican Empire up until 1823. Shortly after, we tried to unite with other Central American countries, but could not. For most of the month of September, most of our students in our schools are learning either traditional dances and preparing for many festivals. Students are also learning many musical instruments as well to prepare for these festivals and parades. Our current news headlines. 4.8 million Hondurans have registered to vote in the upcoming primary elections. More than half of those registered are women, making a record-breaking number of them. The primary elections are set for this coming Sunday, and the general election is set for November this year. In other news, President Juan Hernandez has been accused by many in the U.S. government as being corrupt. Many are calling for his removal from the presidency, and many U.S. senators want U.S. foreign aid to stop coming to Honduras. This would stop the sales of tear gas, ammunition, and other key security features that Honduras has been buying from the United States. And here we have your forecast for today and for the week. Today, expect a high of 80 degrees with a low chance of rain, but later in the night, make sure to have an umbrella because there is a 51% chance of rain. Looking at our 10-day forecast, we're looking at a low 80s with a low chance of rain as well. Today's top hits. Today we have Guillermo Anderson, and today we decided to pick his song known as El Encargido. It is a folklore tale in which the artist or the person in the song is described as going to America and being asked to bring back several goods. A little bit of background information on the artist. He writes many songs that reflect the beauty of Honduras landscapes and many social issues. Give you guys a little brief on that.
Ya que escribiste desde el norte y te hacen falta muchas cosas, ahí te mando un encarguito, cortesía de Doña Rosa.
Now, moving on to sports, soccer clubs Olimpia and Real Sociedad tied in their match today. Both teams are at 2-2. And Olimpia is currently ranked number 1 in the National Soccer League, with Real Sociedad ranked number 18. And today's Cuisine Spotlight, pupusas. These thick flatbreads made out of corn are usually stuffed with multiple ingredients such as cheese, pork, beef, chicken, and beans and such. Very popular among street vendors because they're so portable and easy to make. If you want to get yourself a plate of pupusas, head on over to Hacienda San Lucas, Copan Ruinas, and Copan Honduras. There you have information to give them a call. And that is it for today. Thank you all for joining me in Honduras Today. Have a wonderful Independence Day, everyone.